I'm Dr. Murli Chakravarti. I heard that you are one of the delegates coming for our SURGX 2026 conference. This conference is a huge conference because it's a huge milestone for ourselves. We started robotic surgery 8 years ago and we have reached a stage where very few people can reach now. I am sure this conference is going to be a huge learning for us, for you, and the interaction is going to be humongous. And I suggest that please bring your interesting cases, points that we have to learn, points that you have to teach, and be interactive. The day one is going to be workshops, where a workshop that is most suitable for you, most interesting for you, you could attend. The day two is going to be the CME, where we are going to showcase the specialties that we deal with, and nowadays we have pretty much every specialty that is touched by robotic surgery. This CME is going to be very, very interesting and thought-provoking. Your active intervention, active interaction in this conference is solicited. Welcome, have a great time in Bangalore.